G'day, Nick here from cpaphire.com.au, and today I'm going to quickly show you how you can sign up for our Cpap Hire program online. From the homepage, just come over here to the top navigation where you'll see Cpap Hire, and you can click Standard Cpap Hire Sign Up. Alternatively, if you would like to sign up for Travel Cpap Hire, you can also go to the Travel Cpap Hire Sign Up page, but I'll focus today on the Standard Cpap Hire. So click that, it'll take you through to the Cpap Hire Sign Up page. Now we've made it really quick and easy to do online, but you can also call 1300 276 632 to sign up over the phone if you're not that good with computers. So the Cpap sign up process is divided into two steps. The first step is the Easy Debit payment form. So this is how you will pay for your Cpap hire. So to do that, you just click on the Easy Debit form on the right hand side in red. It will open up a new tab up the top here. The first section is just your details. For the reference section up here, you can put in anything you like your name. Then you have your first name, last name, email, mobile number, all pretty self-explanatory, and then your address. You can click this little button here, which will send you SMS reminders when there is going to be a payment taken for your monthly hire. Coming down to the debit arrangement section now, disregard the once-off debit section, okay? We'll just come down to the regular debit section. For the debit amount, you're going to want to put $69. Starting date, you can choose whatever date you like. However, the equipment will not arrive until after that starting date. Frequency, you turn to monthly. And then duration leave is ongoing. Although it's a 6-month minimum hire plan, some of our customers like to hire for longer than that stage. So instead of stopping at 6 months, just leave it as ongoing. And then when it comes to return your equipment, if you want at the end of that 6 months, we will just cancel that for you. Coming down further, you have your payment method. We suggest you put in your BSB account details here. Plus, if you have a credit card, also put that in as a backup. So credit card, expiry date, and cardholder's name. So you just switch this little tab back and forth and fill in both those details if you have both a BSB account and a credit card. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom here in the service agreement, click agree to terms and conditions. You have a read through this and then click submit. Once you've done that, come back up to the top here to the Cpap Hire sign up page and complete step 2, which is nice and quick. And that's just uploading a copy of your driver's license and a prescription if you have one. So you can put in your name, your email, a message if you want to send us a message of some sort. And here you can choose your file. So you can upload a copy of your driver's license and upload a prescription if you have one. Another option is you can just take a photo from your phone and text them through to 04999 77193. That's 04999 77193. So you can just send those files through via SMS if you prefer. Once you've done that, click send, and that's the Cpap hire process completed. So it really is nice and quick and easy. Once it's completed, we'll give you a phone call just to let you know it's been received. Have a quick chat to you about our program, and then we'll ship out your equipment ASAP so that you can start getting a good night's sleep. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can obviously jump on the online chat down the bottom right-hand corner of the page, or call us up on 1300 276 632. Thanks again.